Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ African Media Live TV. Èyí ni ìròyìn tá a mú wá sétí gbọ̀yìn nípa Ọba Abdul-Rasheed Akanbi Oluwo, the Oluwo of Iwo land. Oluwo and his recipes for unity. I am a sexagenarian. I sat there ruminating and could not remember if any Olubado has ever visited Oluwo. Curious to have the facts, I approached Prince Abimbola, a non-Nigerian. He equally attested such has never happened. The late Alaafin of Oyo was here. Many kings have visited Oluwo. The visit of Olubado to Oluwo is incomparable to any other visit in history. Above was the remark of Prof. Lai Olurode, the president of the apex decision-making body in Iwo Board of Trustees, IBOT, during the visit of paramount ruler of Ibadan land, Oba Moshood Lekan Balogun Okumade II, to the natural paramount ruler of Iwo land, Oba Abdul-Rasheed Akanbi Oluwo, in recent times, has been fingered in the developmental discussion leading to promoting mutual affinity between some stakeholders in Oyo and Osun states. For the past few months, Oba Akanbi, through vigorous media presence, has been demanding for full construction of Osogbo Iwo Ibadan Road, a voice that brought the two governors together despite political party differences. Subsequently, the road was approved and flagged off to take place before this month, October, runs out. This just is a template to be followed by reasonable government, that difference should be put aside when people's welfare is involved. Just yesterday, the Olubado with his high chiefs and prince, accompanied by some stakeholders in Ibadan land, including Senior Chief Lekon Alabi serving Senator Kola Balogun, direct brother to Obale Balogun, and many big wigs were hosted by Oluwo of Iwo land, kings from the three local governments, Bales, Iwo princes, chiefs, and member of Iwo Board of Trustees. It was a gathering of men of ages. In history, many prominent Iwo warlords relocated to Ibadan. My interest is not the history, but the re-engineering the bound Oluwo symbolize. The courtesy call will not only establish the cradle of Ali Iwo, but will further put on hold the controversy surrounding kinship between the two thrones, most especially as it relates to Ali Iwo dynasty of Ibadan ruling house. Oluwo has promoted the relationship, and today it has transcended from the single line of Ali Iwo to the general Ibadan land. Oluwo, in his characteristics, has hosted notable kings such as the Sultan of Sokoto, Ektunope, Olugbo, Akaribo, Olofa, and many others in his exotic palace. Most of these visits were first of their respective kind in history. He is fully committed to repositioning the ancient stool of Iwo in its rightful place. During the visit yesterday, the Oluwo of Iwo Oba Adetoyeshi described Oluwo as a complex monarch with pure and unblemished character. In his own remark, the Akire of Ikire, Oba Abdul-Aziz Olatunbosun, commended Oluwo for his unique style, distinguishing him and other towing his line from the rest. Akire stated the uniqueness of Oluwo is premised on two factors: his trust in one God and the uncompromising service to his people. The two monarchs eulogized Oluwo and appreciated Olubado for the historical homecoming. Equally, Oluwo last monarch married a princess from Kano, a development that received commendation from meaningful Nigerians. Oluwo has been at the forefront of fostering Nigerian national unity. There is no monarch so practically engaged in sustaining the unity of Nigeria of today as Oluwo. He follows his instinct and acts accordingly. Follow us for more breaking news and videos. Keep subscribing to Africa Media Live TV. Thank you.